Hi guys, my name is Kelsey and I'm here to help you get started with your new Apprenticescope account.
In the last video, we went over your specific account settings, but now I'd like to show you how to control other users' settings within your organization. So we're gonna jump into our gear icon up here at the top right, and this is where we can control access and abilities for the other user types in your organization. So with applicants, you can turn off their ability to fill in and edit their profile data, take evaluations, and you can connect a privacy disclosure when they create an account. Same thing with apprentice, you can edit their profile entry ability. If you want them to be able to edit, delete their OJT, set up a cutoff date, require a time card, a bunch of things. And then down the list, same thing for mentor and supervisor. You can take away or give them the ability to do various things in their account. Supervisor, administrator, all the same logic. You can play with different things, what you'd like them to be able to do or not be able to do. And then up at the top, if I go into groups, I have the option of creating permission groups. So in these settings, this refers to every user type in the system. If I want to give an ability or just a small subset of administrators the ability to do something that you don't want all your administrators to do, then you can create a permission group. So you'd come in, create a permission group, you'd select which user type you want this to apply to, and then once you select administrator, all the administrators in your organization are going to come up. So you can select them, and then you can change their permissions, and it will be different than all of your administrators in the system. As we move over the partners tab, you can link accounts with other sponsors in the system. So this avoids having to input information for your organization and another organization. You can simply create a one-way partner link where you're only going to see their information, or you can create a two-way partner link where both parties in this link partners will see both parties' information. In the reports tab, you can change which data set you'd like to collect. So we support most data sets. So, apprenticeship, demonstration grants, etc. You can change all these here. And then those are the reports that you can, or the data you can run reports on. If there's one you're not seeing, then we can always build out a report for you, but most likely we do support it if you have to report it to the DOL. And then in the global section, you can change things like the language that you see in Apprenticescope. So if you guys use OJL instead of OJT, you can do that. Same thing with RSI versus RTI. And then self-regulation. Right now, the way that the system's set up is, as the sponsor, you're going to be the only one that has access to this gear and icons. So no one else will be able to control their settings and permissions. But if you want to give administrators and your employers the ability to control their own permissions, then you'll toggle this on. And missing time submissions, you can turn on a notification for this. So administrators will receive a notification if apprentices haven't logged hours in 3 days. Very general overview of settings and permissions. You can definitely customize your account to fit your organization's needs. This is, permissions is a pretty easy way of being able to tailor it to your exact organization.